So what happened was the story. Yeah, definitely somebody sick, right? So the story basically like this. I really want y'all to go watch the movie called Dumb Money on Netflix. It tells you the whole story about what happened with the 3 years ago. But so basically, what happens is companies, big hedge funds, will short these companies. These companies that just they think that's eventually probably gonna go bankrupt and all that stuff, and they make a lot of money. They can make a lot of money off of it. So if the retail investor like me and you, right, say, hey, we're going to come together and we're going to try to spread the world, spread the word around, because social media, anything is possible, right? Spread the word around, saying everybody go buy this stock, right? For example, go buy GameStop. That's what GameStop stock. That's kind of what he did, right? And next thing you know, the price went from like $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70. It went all the way to $700. My partner put $1,000 in when it was at $10, and he sold it. He made $40,000 off of it. He didn't even sell all his shares, right? But so they pumped that stock up, and the whole time they're pumping the stock up, the big huge hedge funds that was shorting the stock, they losing money. So a couple hedge funds went out of business too. AMC ran too. So AMC ran some today as well. I think he posted another video. The screen started off black. When you're in a movie theater and the screen starts off black. So the screen started off black, and then a movie came on like Wolverine or something. I think it's hilarious, man. But I'm gonna throw a couple dollars in there just for the giggles of it. You never know, might hit. You never know, right? But it's interesting to see. So and then the market, that stock actually halted about 6-7 times today. Like it halted about 6 or 7 times a day. When I say halted, I mean no one could buy the actual stock. Okay, so I think it halted like, I forgot the times, but so if someone tried to buy, say for example, it's 10 o'clock in the morning, no one could buy the stock at all. And next thing you know, about 10:35, it's unhalted and trading is opening back up. And next thing you know, at 10:38, the whole stock halted again. During COVID, that happened a lot to the downside. The market, when people were trying to sell because of COVID, the market just kind of just halted a lot. So that's happening right now. Everybody, just keep a look on that. The thing about it is, listen, it's gonna fall. When it falls, it's gonna fall hard, right? It's gonna fall extremely hard. That's what happened to a lot of people last time. They got caught holding the bag. But the thing just, went crazy all because the dude posted a picture. Man, he didn't even say anything. He just posted a picture. And the whole thing just went crazy. It was like people was just waiting to see, for 3 years, waiting to see this man post something. He posts something, and the stock literally goes from $15 to $38. Crazy. But the last time it happened, let me go back. The last time this happened was when? The last time this happened, the stock literally, it was GameStop, right? Or was it AMC? Was it GameStop? Yeah, it was GameStop. It wasn't higher than 120. It must be the stock split. Yeah, they did a stock split. I believe so. But yeah, it went out to $700 some odd dollars. What time did he post? I think sometime in the morning. Sometime in the morning he posted. I'm not 100% sure what time it was, but he posted in the morning, and man, it went crazy. It's hilarious to me, man, for the fact that it actually it's crazy. But I'm telling you this though, everybody, the last time that market literally went bananas. GameStop went bananas. Go watch the movie Dumb Money, and you will see it. You'll have a better understanding. It was GameStop last time too. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it went crazy. I didn't fool with it last time. I'm like, man, I'm not messing with this bull job. But this time, I throw a couple dollars in it this time though, for real. But yeah. So it's gonna be interesting to see. And the reason I'm laughing is because this dude really invested. He invested $50,000 in the GameStop. $50,000 in the GameStop. he was not like he wasn't like a popular person. He didn't have a whole bunch of followers or nothing, right? He just started going live on in like I think with like Reddit chats on YouTube and all that stuff. And next thing you know, people just start following him. People start following him. People start following him. He kept talking about GameStop, and next thing you know, the whole world, Craig, is buying GameStop. Oh, for real? Yeah. It did a lot of people, man, because people made a whole lot of money. But if you bought in when it was at 700 or something, I mean, you got hurt. You got punished, right? If you didn't take profits, you got punished, right? This is not so. If it does happen again, which I don't know if it happened again. I think people are too scared for it to happen again. The reason why I say that is because people got hurt last time, and once you get hurt one time, you're not trying to get hurt again. So I don't think it'll have, if it does even potential try to rally, I don't think it'll be even close to where it was the first time. I don't really think people are just gonna sit there and just let that happen. So how was the drop? Oh, the drop was horrible. Yeah, the drop was like one day it's at 700, the next day it's at like 200, right? The drop was horrible. People lost a lot of money. Davon said I was still so new back then, bro. I just kept watching it run and had mad opportunities to get in and just let it pass by. Yeah, man. It was I was just like, man, I'm not fooling with that, man. I'm like, no, I'm not fooling with it. I thought it was just, and then they say no, the prices got so high. Like the option contracts on it got so high. It was crazy. Like it was you to really get to true. You had to be there to really get the. You really had to be there to see it. Like literally every morning you wake up, this stock is just going crazy, 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 crazy. Like you like, holy crap! It's at 400. It's no way it can go higher than 400. It's at 500. It's no way it can go higher than 500. It hit 6. It can't go higher than 6. And next thing you know, these hedge funds they're losing billions of dollars a day. Every single day they're losing billions of dollars. Billions of dollars every single day. I think the peak was like 700 some odd dollars. Now, everybody, this is not any type of trading type of strategy, or this is not trading. This right when GameStop went up, that was not trading. That was literally a whole bunch of people getting together saying we about to make this stock go high as possible for as long as possible. And people just put in money. You could have tripped and fell, flipped over 15 times and rolled into that thing and made money off of it. That's how crazy it was. If you got in at a low enough price. But it's no type of trading, it's no type of technical analysis, it's no type of look at it, it's gonna pull back right here and bounce off of that. No, it's simply, man, if you put your money into it, you just hoping and praying that everybody else in the world putting their money into it too. That's how that is, right? But it's gonna be interesting to see. Like the funny thing is, it closed today at $30. So it closed today at $30, and it actually overnight it's crazy. Overnight it went up to $36, right? Yep, Roy Kitty. It went up to $36 right now. That's where it's sitting at, like $36, right? Because this is ridiculous. This is crazy. This might be just the beginning of it too. And that's the crazy thing about it. This is crazy. This is crazy. This might be the only beginning. This thing is at 30. Okay, check this out now. It's at $36 right now. Last time went up to $700. That's crazy. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. I'm gonna put a couple of dollars in just for the fun of it. I got a couple of dollars I can blow on that one. So we'll see how that plays out. Also this week, so just be careful if that's something you're gonna do. Also this week, how far out would you get? I may buy the shares, honestly. I don't even think I'm gonna buy the option contract because I think it's too volatile. It's too volatile for a 1 week expiration because it may go up and it may go up $10 and then fall $15. It's too volatile, in my personal opinion. For yeah, it's too volatile, in my personal opinion. I 20x my initial investment of 1,000. I 20x my initial investment. That's for 1,000. That's dope. Shout out to Davon on that one. But yeah, I'm just gonna buy a few shares. Yeah, I'm thinking about buying shares too. Them option contracts. Yeah, I'm not. I may not fool the option contract. And they even expensive, right? They're like not matter. They like $9 right now for an option contract. That's just one contract. I'll probably bet I'll just buy the shares. And they do what it's gonna do. I mean, if it goes down, it goes down. If it goes down, it goes down. Just hold on the shares forever. Won't ever sell the shares if it goes down. And then never know. 5 years from now, he may post another post and go crazy again. You never know. But yeah. Oh, that was for Sheba. Man, yeah, like, hey, for that crypto, matter of fact, Davon. So I was at the house. Davon had already been telling me, Chris, Sheba, this crypto Sheba. I'm like, man, I ain't getting to that. I ain't fooling that thing. Then I don't know who I heard talking about. I called Davon one night. He said on the phone with me for a couple minutes. I would have put some money in Sheba. I made about 20,000 off that Sheba too. And matter of fact, I got in like 3-4 days before it went crazy. And I'm like, man, I'm glad Davon told me. Matter of fact, what happened? Davon told me about Sheba Inu, and then the next morning I woke up, the thing that shot up. I said, crap, I'm getting in. Got in. I'm not a big crypto person, right? I got some. Do I even still have that Ethereum? I may. I don't even know. But yeah, I'm not a big crypto person. But Davon told me to get in. I said, I'm gonna wait till the next day. That next day, that thing shot up. I said, done. I wish I would have got in. Then I got right in as soon as I see it got up. Options gonna get smoked. Yeah, them options gonna get smoked for that GameStop if it continues to go up. How it's looking, something's going on, man. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Something's going on. Something is going on with this GameStop. I'm not a big fan of those. I'm not a big fan by no means of the meme stocks. I like I like the real deal Holyfield. I don't like playing with all the games, but listen, you got a couple dollars to throw into it. Shoot, why not? Just throw a couple dollars into it and see what happens. It might come up. Never know. But just solely expect to lose whatever you put in. Expect to lose it because definitely tomorrow this thing could tank and go right back down to $1, and just like and then just sit at $1 for the next 3 years. Exactly what can happen. Oh yeah, AMC ran too. I think AMC went from. Let me check it out right quick. AMC. AMC. Yeah, AMC went from like $2, $3 up to $6, and it's still going up. Something's going on, y'all. I'm just being honest with you. Something's going on. I'm telling you, something is going on. Yeah, something is definitely going on right about now. Right about now, something is definitely going on with the meme stocks. And the fact that hedge funds lost $1 billion today is crazy. I have 100K. What can I do with it? I can't give financial advice at all, but if I had 100K, what I would probably do, I'd probably invest about 25 of it into the market. I'll put about 25, 30,000 to a simple IRA. I put about 25, 30,000 to a simple IRA and let that invest that as well, and let that start to just continue to bring you about 8 to 10% a year in returns, and then you can continue to add into it. Then I'll put some into a high yielding savings account, and then I will also probably put something into some real estate as well. That's what I would do with it. So I would break it up. Stock market is for when I say 25,000 stock market, that means I'm putting that 25,000 into long term options for the most part, and then the simple IRA, and then either the high yields, or I will put it into actual stocks, right? Long term stocks, and then I can probably segment some things between like real estate and the high yield thing. Yeah, you can do dividends too, but if you put 100,000 in dividends, it's probably only going to garner you probably about $500 to $600 to $700 a month, which is not bad. It's pretty good, but you can definitely probably grow a little bit faster. Definitely grow a little bit faster. Yep. Any other questions, everybody? Also, if you're new here, May 20th through May 24th is our next 5-day mastermind, our next class. Gonna be crazy. I'm gonna show you guys how to trade stock options. If you knew, I'm gonna introduce it to you, take you from a beginner to someone that can actually understand how to break down the charts, how to enter in, how to get out, why you're getting in, why you're getting out, and you can actually go fishing for yourself. You don't have to worry about somebody telling you to pack plays. You can go find your own plays. So that's happening May 20th through May 24th. Okay, so any questions before I get out of here? Any questions before I get out of here? I mean, I'm looking at this AMC chart right now. This is crazy. Like the way this chart looks right now is ridiculous. Good geesh Louise. That's crazy. This looks ridiculous. I don't know. I may put a couple dollars in it. Appreciate that, Davon. Definitely. And how the futures class went tonight, Davon? How did the futures class go tonight? I was on for a couple, part of it. The class is where you just missed the Mother's Day sale. The Mother's Day sale was $200 off. It was good there. Also, that's good, dope. Appreciate it, bro. The class is $497 for regular admission and $997 for VIP. So $497 for regular admission and $997 for VIP for the mastermind. You can just hit mastermind. You can type in mastermind right now if you want to join in. It may say, if you get a DM, it may say March class, but just click on the button and it'll take you to the updated one where it's for May's class. Just type in mastermind if that's something that you want to do, and I'll send it over to you. It went longer than expected. You know I never can keep class under 3 hours. I already know. When I saw you pop on here, I said, okay, class must be over. I look back over there. I'm like, man, you probably just finished class probably like 2:30. I mean, probably around 10:30. Something like that. All right, everybody, listen. You all have a good one. All praise to the Most High. Catch y'all next time. Hey, listen, Davon, what you doing? You gonna buy you some GameStop? What you doing, man? You gonna buy some GameStop tomorrow? I don't know, man. I'm thinking about it. Might as well. How the charts looking right now? Look crazy. Looks real crazy, but we'll see. We'll see, man. Listen, y'all have a good one. All praise to the Most High. All right, you two, listen, you guys have a good one as well. Remember, if y'all have any questions, feel free to reach out. I got some questions. I didn't even see these questions. Do I think SPY will hit 525? Yes. Well, no. Let's try this. Let's break it down to this. SPY will hit 525 if on Wednesday at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, the data for CPI comes in good. If the data comes in good from CPI, SPY will break 525 and start going towards 540, 545. Okay. If on Wednesday morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the CPI data comes in hot, comes in worse than expected, SPY will not hit 525 anytime soon, and it's probably gonna be another whole month and a half before we get to 525. So it's all depending on Wednesday at 8:30 a.m. If SPY hits 525 or not. And well, actually it's two catalysts. So if we do not hit 525 on on Wednesday because of the data comes in bad, the next week we have another catalyst with Nvidia's earnings, and Nvidia's earnings could actually take could actually take SPY to 525 if the video earnings go crazy. What is the app to download just to start watching stocks to learn? You can download Thinkorswim. You can kind of watch everything from Thinkorswim. A lot of beginners use Robinhood as well. Is it better to buy in the money or out the money? I buy everything out the money. I never buy in the money. That's just my personal preference, right? Out the money is cheaper, and you just buy more contracts. Out the money is cheaper, and you buy more contracts. So that's normally how I do it. Not saying it's a right or wrong way to do it, but that's just the way that I do it. Good question. Good question, everybody. Good questions. Good questions. All right. If you are new here, you have not hit that like and subscribe button as well. And any other questions before I get out of here? All right, y'all. Listen, y'all have a good one. All praise to the Most High. Catch y'all next time.